exciting. We're at Build-A-Bear, and I know you've never done this before.
Yeah.
I've done it a couple times with Chase. It's going to be a moment to remember.
I've had people build bears for me. They're very exciting. I know they make great gifts, but I've never built one myself. I think we should build one for a listener.
I think that would be awesome.
Let's do it.
All right.
Well, we wanted to build some bears for our listeners.
You have come to the right place. It is in the name.
That's what we're here for.
So, have either of you ever been into a Build-A-Bear before?
I have once. I've been to this one, and my son Chase built a bear. He actually built a dog.
Yes.
And he named her Lexi, and she's got roller skates, and his papa wanted me to have a special message inside it for them.
Oh, that's awesome.
So, yeah.
So, what about you?
I have never been here before.
So, you are a newbie.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay, well then, I am putty in your hands.
Awesome. So let me explain to you guys how this works. So this here is what we call our Choose Me Wall. So we have all of our animals along this wall that you guys can choose from. And as you can see, they are actually empty. So you'll pick out one of our empty animals, and we'll help you guys get all stuff done. So if you want to take a look, they're kind of all down. I've got some examples up here. Yeah, give them a hug. She actually likes that. Watch that. Her little crown there.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
It's a Bulbasaur.
He caught them all.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and it talks.
What? It does, yeah.
That's amazing. I'm a Pokemon fan.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
I keep just taking them from the rack.
We heard it.
Do you want to Build-A-Bear?
Yeah, let's build one.
You know, like, do you want to build a snowman?
Oh. Now I get it. This guy is like a really good color for my preference.
Is he speaking to you?
Yeah. He looks very happy.
He's so soft.
Yeah, I'm
Oh
telling you,
my
he's a good choice.
Oh yeah, that's gonna work.
He's just a little thin if you ask me. We need to pump him up a little.
Yes.
So we have our bear all picked out.
Yeah, well.
Yay! Okay, let me see this
a great cuddle buddy.
And we are making a special message, correct?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So let's go ahead and record this. It's magic, I tell ya.
That's really cool.
Alrighty, so the way this is worked, this right here is your microphone. You're going to want to stand right in front of it, kind of square with it. Lean in, talk normal, don't yell. It's going to give you a 5-second countdown after you hit the next screen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in case you forget how to count down. And as soon as that number 1 leaves the screen, you can go ahead and start talking.
So I should like bend down and...
Yeah. I usually tell people kind of top of their head with the top of the TV.
Okay, sure.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Hey, it's the Rob.
And Liberty.
And thanks for listening to Kiss 106.
Hit the stop button.
I don't know why I did this at the
That'd be great
end.
if that records on it. Hit the
Rob,
And Liberty.
and thanks for listening to Kiss 106.
Follow the instructions.
That's where we might mess up. Wait, pick up any sound chip. Place the chip slide down. On here?
This is amazing.
I told you Build-A-Bear is magical.
Yeah, I've never seen it. I didn't know it was this involved. I just thought you kind of just picked like the head and the eyes and...
Sew it together.
Yeah. Test your sound. Pick it
Look at
up.
that.
And squeeze it to listen.
We don't even have to work anymore. Like, we'll just bring this with us. Okay, so when you adopt a dog or a cat, you usually get it microchipped in case it runs away from home or gets lost. What about my bear?
We do the same thing. So our tags have a tear strip on them. We place those inside for your animals. And then as long as you are one of our bonus club members, when you go to check out, it automatically links this animal's ID number to the mailing address that's on your account. So if this little bear gets lost and comes back to our store, we get it home to you.
All ready to fluff up?
I think so, yeah.
Alrighty, well come on over here.
Oh my gosh.
So what is your name, friend?
I'm Rob.
So nice to meet you, Rob.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's yours?
I'm Brooke. We're gonna be super mega best friends today. Is that alright with you?
Yeah?
Pinky swear? The pact is sealed. We're
Alright.
being best friends now. So did you want your bear to be soft and squishy or hard and firm?
I'm thinking more soft and squishy.
Soft and squishy? Well, good thing I can totally make that happen for
Yeah.
you. Go right on ahead, and you can step down on this pedal for me, alright?
Yeah.
Go ahead and press down. So is there a special reason that brings you in for today?
We're building a bear for one of our listeners.
Really? One of your listeners?
Well, we appreciate all of our listeners, and we wanted to give a special one a bear.
That sounds like a super fun gift to me. But we gotta make this bear with extra super duper for a while, then if it's going out to one of your listeners, you know, we can go on ahead and pass off. And I'll let you give this big guy a big hug, and then if you think he needs to be a little bit squishier, I can make him squishier. If you think he needs to be a little bit harder, I can also make him a little bit harder.
I think that's a good level. Here, what do you think, Liberty?
Let me see.
Give him a good squeeze.
Yes, because he could be like a pillow, or like just a friend palling around.
Yeah, I feel like anything softer would be like a little too soft, and anything firmer would be like, you know, the Arnold Schwarzenegger of bears. And
Yeah.
Not necessary. So I think this is a good, you know,
He's
dad
like
bod
he's like
bear.
a my pillow.
Fun smells inside of our bear to make it smell extra super duper delicious today.
You can make the bear smell a certain way?
Yes, we can. They last for up to a year. Mine have lasted for a little bit longer, and I've had some customers tell me that theirs survived through the washing machine.
Wow.
So yes, they're my favorite add-ins for sure.
So how do I choose a smell?
Well, I can show you some. We actually have a smell station over here.
A smell station.
Oh yeah, we have all sorts of super fun. My favorite ones are the lavender, the vanilla cupcake, and the bubblegum, but we do have all sorts of super fun ones. And if you'd like to smell one, we can pop one open and let you get a whiff.
Vanilla cupcake, though, I think is probably, of the ones you mentioned, the one I like the best.
I can let you get a whiff of it.
Oh my. I think that's the way to go, but what do you think, Liberty?
Oh, it does smell good.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna need your help before we put the smell inside.
Yeah, sure.
So before we put the smell inside, we wanna make sure he gets an extra big scent boost, right?
An extra big what?
Scent boost.
Okay.
Go ahead, take this and give it a big smell, just to make sure it smells extra super duper delicious.
That's a vanilla cupcake if I've ever smelled one.
Go ahead and rub it on his feet so he doesn't have smelly feet. No one wants stinky feet now, do they?
I don't think so.
Exactly. Can you rub it on his armpits so he doesn't have smelly armpits either? Best kind of deodorant around, right?
I think so too, yeah.
And on his nose so he understands how amazing he smells. And then last but not least, we're gonna rub it on his tushy because no one wants a stinky booty now, do they?
I can do you when you're done, Liberty, if you want.
Do people come in and just buy the scents to rub on themselves?
I haven't come across that. It wouldn't surprise me if someone did.
It might happen now.
I like this pure red part right here.
You can rub it on your ears so it can listen real well.
Okay.
Since it is going to your listeners, right?
That's true. Let's do
Oh yeah, there you
do it
go.
a few times.
And can you rub it on your head so it's super duper smart?
I should probably rub it on your head.
You don't want to use mine either.
So is he done?
Yep, we have them all stitched up, but we do have some super fun clothes where the number 3 is. And then if you guys want to dress them up, we can totally help you with that as well.
Okay, so now my understanding is if we give him a scan over here, we can give him a whole birth certificate, a name, a whole profile. I might want to, I would love to scan myself maybe, give myself a new identity, but let's give one for the Kiss 106 bear. All right, name your furry friend. Well, some good choices here, but let's go ahead and, what are you thinking? Kiss 106 bear?
Yes.
Kiss 106?
Yeah.
So there's the vitals of the bear that we built just for you.